The city of Lagos has remained a progressive example of leadership and an icon in Nigeria and Africa. Lagos has also demonstrated a rich culture of planning around the vision of the Lagos of our dreams, and this was evident during the key stakeholders conference and unveiling of the official logo of the 20th anniversary of the Ehingbeti Economic Summit 2020.
As we gather here today to flag off the next decade for Lagos, I want us all to be inspired by a very rich and proud history of planning within the world's fifth largest megacity, and to which the Ehingbeti became a cornerstone. I urge you to join in activities which celebrate a very rich and proud past of planning in Lagos, and which seeks to draw up a vision for the next decade for the Lagos of our dreams.
There has no challenge come upon mankind that mankind acting together has not in one way or the other figured a way around it. So as a background, the Ehingbeti Economic Summit has been the convening of advocates passionate about the emergence of the most vibrant, diverse, competitive, and inclusive African megacity. Till date, through 7 past Ehingbetis, there have been 206 resolutions that have been made, and out of that, 193 has been implemented.
Ehingbeti is major. It's the only platform of its kind that I know of in Lagos for having a conversation as robust as this with all parties that are concerned about Lagos and love Lagos. Beyond that, it's the only platform that I know of that has such a high level of compliance with resolutions. So as the Commissioner for Economic Planning and Budget has said, it's not a talk shop, it is a planning workshop at which we're all expected to roll up our sleeves, talk about fiercely and passionately about all the things we want to see and agree resolutions. So we've set bold ambitions for ourselves. Some of our objectives were to come up with the resolutions that addressed the developmental challenges of Lagos and really helped us to set the tone for the next decade, which is our theme. But also to have a clear roadmap for how to get there. But we're also extremely keen to have inclusion. So we want to include everybody. People who may not have had the opportunity to be part of a physical summit now have the opportunity to be part of this summit. And that's something else that we're looking to achieve here. This is going to be a unique opportunity for us to hear your voices, understand your thoughts, and really hear about what you think Lagos should be doing.
For us, for me being Chairman House Committee on Economic Planning, which also becomes the Budget Committee during the budget session, the key thing to Lagos is funding. We would like a lot of funding. The potentials everybody has spoken about Lagos here is very achievable, but we want the potential to become reality. So I would urge you all, when you go into those sessions, apart from identifying the problems or the areas of development, we need partnership in the various sectors. On behalf of the House of Assembly, on behalf of my speaker, I wish you well at the summit. Thank you very much.
Key operators from the private sector and members of the international community also gave credence to the enviable place of Lagos in the world and the importance of the Ehingbeti Summit. They also raised concerns and highlighted key areas of discussion ahead of the summit, which holds from November 10 to November 12, 2020.
I am very, very excited that Ehingbeti has come back, and I would like to commend and thank particularly the vision of both the founders and the co-chairs. People don't come and invest because they want to, but because they are attracted, drawn, and because, they can see the activity that's going on.
Arrived to Lagos 3 weeks ago, and it will be a great opportunity for me to start with this and actively engage on this platform to understand what are the opportunities available to develop Lagos and to take it to the next level.
If Lagos succeed, you can be rest assured that it will rub off on other places. I'm ready, of course, subsequently to work closely with Mrs. Hammond and his team in terms of the details of it. I think for Ehingbeti, Lagos Economic Summit, I strongly recommend that these issues of circular plastic economy and the various initiatives, the economic dimension of it, as well as the environmental dimension of it, should be one of the focus.
To participate for free, register on www.ehingbetisummit.com.